Today topic of lecture problem in financial account. This is problem. From the following trial balance of ROM as 31st March 2007, prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance it for the year ended. These all are problem. This is problem. This problem based the prepare the three statements. First one is trading account, second one is profit and loss account, third one is balance sheet. First, every item in this problem you identify that item where enter the three statements. First is opening stock, is the enter the trading account starting trading account. This is the format. One side is debit to another side is credit. Trading account of ROM for the year ended 31st/3/2007. This ROM and date. First you start the trading account debit side. Debit side means this side. Credit side means this side. This is credit. These all are debit. Debit side first you opening to opening stock 42,000. Next to plant and machinery. It is a asset. This not the trading account. Trading account only expenses, purchases, sales. These enter the balance sheet is asset. Next one is purchases. These also enter the trading account. Purchases. Two purchases 2,25,000. Next one is trading expenses. This is not in the trading account. This is also expenses in enter profit and loss account. Carriage inward. This enter the trading account. Carriage also two types. One is inward, another one is carriage outward. Carriage inward enter the trading account. Carriage outward enter the profit and loss account. This point is you understand. Carriage inward trading account enter the debit side. Carriage inward. Next one is capital. This is not the trading account. This is the liability side. Balance sheet lo enter the liability side. Carriage outward. This is not in the trading account. This enter the profit and loss account. Factory rent. This enter the trading account. In this rent also two types. One is factory rent, office rent. Factory rent enter the factory renter enter the trading account. Office rent you enter profit and loss account. Factory rent you enter trading account. factory rent. Next one is discount allowed. This is expenditure not in the trading account. This enter the profit and loss account. Sales, this is enter the trading account credit side. Sales by sales. Next, bills payable. This is the liability. This enter the profit and loss. Enter the balance sheet liability side. Insurance is the expenditure. This enter profit and loss account, not enter the trading account. Sundry debitors. This is also debitors asset. This enter the balance sheet asset side. Office rent. This is not enter the trading account. This enter profit and loss account. Next, printing and stationery. This is also expenditure. This enter the profit and loss account, not enter the trading account. Salesman salary. This is expenditure. This is enter profit and loss account. This is not the enter trading account. Next, advertising. This is also expenditure. This is not enter the trading account. Enter in profit and loss account. Sundry creditors. It is a liability. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Liabilities mean borrowers. Bills receivable. This is also asset. You enter the asset side balance sheet. Bad debit provision. This enter the one type of reserve for the debitors, bad debits. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Drawings. This is less the capital in the balance sheet liability side. Salaries. This enter the profit and loss account. Wages. This enter the trading account. These all are you understand. Salaries enter in profit and loss account. Wages enter in trading account. This difference. Salary mean payments of the monthly office employees. Wages also payment of the daily or weekly in the factory workers. This wages enter the trading account. Salary enter the profit and loss account. Wages 20,000. Next, furniture. This it is asset. This is not enter the trading account. This is enter the balance sheet asset side. Coal and gas. This is expenditure. Enter the trading account. Coal and gas 1,000 rupees. Next, cash in hand. This is not enter the trading account. This enter the asset balance sheets asset side. Cash at bank. This is also asset. This is enter the balance sheet asset side. Next, this all are over in the problem. Outside the problem, adjustment. Any adjustment you have enter two times. This closing stock. Enter the first trading account credit side by closing stock. This after enter the balance sheet asset side. These all are over in the trading account. These all are items. enter. First you total this trading account is the two sides. One is debit side, another one is credit side. First you total debit side. First you total credit side. This you total. This amount is enter this. This two also equal. This total credit amount you enter in this side, debit side total. This total all items. These all items less. One by one, one by one, one by one. That the balance is equal to gross profit. This total less these all are expenses. Remaining balance is gross profit. This gross profit. This trading account is over. This gross profit is the transferred to profit and loss account. Next stage. Next stage, you profit and loss account. These also two sides. One side debit, another side credit. Profit and loss account of ROM for the year ended 31st March 2007. This trade profit and loss account also all expenditures enter the debit side. Expenditure enter debit side. Any expenditure you identify item that is enter this. Except enter the trading account items that already you enter, not enter the in this. Remaining all expenses enter the profit and loss account debit side. Next, this side also incomes or revenue. Enter the in this side. Any income, any gain, that item is enter the credit side. First you start the by gross profit. This already you calculate trading account. This amount is enter this credit side. Next you enter the all expenses debit side. Enter the any incomes credit side. Next problem. First you read. Opening stock. This already enter the trading account. This not enter profit and loss account. Plant and machinery. This not expenditure. Asset. This enter the balance sheet asset side. Purchases. This already entered. This not enter in profit and loss account. Next trading expenses. This is expenditure. This not enter the trading account. This enter the profit and loss account. To trading expenses. Trading expenses. Next carriage inward. This already enter the trading account. This is not enter in profit and loss account. Capital. This is enter the liability side balance sheet. Carriage outward. This enter the profit and loss account. Carriage outward. Carriage outward 1500. Next, factory rent. This already enter the trading account. You not enter the profit and loss account. Discount allowed. This is also expenditure. This enter the profit and loss account. Discount allowed. Discount allowed 350. Next, sales. This already enter the profit and trading account credit side. This is not enter in trading account. Bills payables. This is also liability. This enter the liability means borrowing. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Insurance. It is expenditure. Enter the profit and loss account. This enter the profit and loss account. Insurance. This 700 to insurance. Next, sundry debtors. This is also asset. This enter the balance sheet in asset side. Office rent. This rent is expenditure. Enter the profit and loss account. Office rent 3000. Next, printing and stationery. It is also expenditure. Enter the profit and loss account. Printing and stationery 6000. To printing and stationery 600. Salesman salary. This is also expenditure. Enter the profit and loss account. Salesman salary. Next, advertisement. Any ads. This is also expenditure. Enter the profit and loss account. $15,000. Next, sundry creditors. This is also liability. Enter the balance sheet liability side. Bills receivable. This is also asset. Enter in balance sheet asset side. Bad debit provision. This is the one type of reserve. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Drawings. Drawing in use of the user or entrepreneur or business person. Personal use. This is less the capital in the balance sheet liability side. Salaries. This is also expenditure. Enter the balance profit and loss account. Salaries. 15,000. Next wages, this already enter the trading account. Furniture, it is a asset, enter in balance sheet, asset side. Coal and gas, this already enter in trading account. Cash in hand, this asset, enter the balance sheet, asset side. Cash at bank, this also asset, enter the balance sheet, asset side. These all items also over. These adjustments also not enter the adjustment trading account. These all profit and loss account. These already enter the trading account. All items also over. Finally, you calculate the net profit. First, total credit side. This side is total. First, you calculated amount. This amount is enter in this column, debit side. This total less, these all are expenses one by one. This amount less all expenditures. Remaining balance is net profit. This is the net profit. Remaining balance. This transfer to the capital account. This profit and loss account is over. First and second is over. Next, last stage is balance sheet. Balance sheet have two sides. Balance sheet of RAM as on date. One side is liabilities, another side is assets. Liabilities also left hand side. Assets also right hand side. Any liability enter the in this side. Any asset item in this side. Finally, this all assets and liabilities equal. No variation. Any variation, our problem is error. You not correctly. In this balance sheet also, you remaining not enter the trading account to profit and loss account to, that all are items in the enter the balance sheet. Only liabilities to assets. Any item is liability, that enter the liability side. Any item is asset, that enter the balance sheet, asset side. First, opening stock, this already enter trading account. Plant and machinery, it is a asset, not this enter the balance sheet, asset side. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Next, purchases, this is already enter the trading account. You not again enter. Trading expenses also enter. Profit and loss account. Carriage inwards enter trading account. Next is the capital. This is not enter. This is the enter in balance sheet, liability side. Capital 75,000. This capital to add the net profit and less the drawings. Next, carriage outwards. This also entered profit and loss account. Factory rent enter the trading account. Discount order enter the profit and loss account. Sales enter trading account. Bills payable. This is also liability. This enter the liability side balance sheet. Bills payables. 2000 bills payables అంటే పేజ్ bills payables 2000. Bills payables mean payments of suppliers. Next, insurance you enter in profit and loss account. Sundry debtors. This is also asset. Enter the asset side in balance sheet. Bills receivable. Sundry debtors 60,000. This is also asset. Office rent already enter profit and loss account. Printing stationery enter profit and loss account. Salesman salary enter profit and loss account. Advertising enter profit and loss account. Sundry creditor. This is also liabilities. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Sundry creditors. Sundry creditors mean payments of outsiders. Sundry creditors 15,000. Bills receivable. This is also asset. Enter the balance sheet asset side. Bills receivable 6,000. Next, bad debits provision. This is one type of provision. This enter the balance sheet liability side. Bad debit provision. Next, drawings 6,000. This is less the capital in the liability side in balance sheet. The capital 75,000. Add net profit. Net profit add net profit total less drawings 1,000 less this total remaining balance also 1,08,800. Next, salaries. This also enter the profit and loss account. Wages enter the trading account already. Furniture. This is also asset. Enter in balance sheet asset side. 7,500. Next, coal and gas is over. Trading account enter. Cash in and asset. Enter the asset side. 2,000. Cash at bank also asset. Enter the asset side. 12,500. All items all over in the problem. Outside the adjustment, this closing stock have entered the 2 times. One is trading account, another is balance sheet, asset side. Closing stock. All are over. Finally, you total two sides, asset side and liability side. These all are equal. Your problem is correct. Not equal assets and liabilities. Your problem is not correctly. Some mistakes. This problem is over. Thank you.